So people have asked me about this fire starter, this striker right here, and it is the Light My Fire version, and it comes with this fat wood chunk on it too. Really cool company, Light My Fire. They're out of Switzerland. What they do is this fat wood is from down in South America, where they harvest trees, but they leave the stumps, and the stumps harden up, and they're able to get fat wood out of that. So use that product so it doesn't go to waste. The handle's like a coconut type of compressed stuff. This one also has a whistle right here.